If you want to track user behavior, measure conversions, or deploy marketing tools on your website without constantly editing code, Google Tag Manager is your best friend. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create tags in Google Tag Manager, step by step. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once inside, select the container for the website or app where you want to add your new tag. Think of a container as a workspace that holds all the tags, triggers, and variables for one specific property. Choosing the right container is important since everything you set up will live inside it. On the left-hand navigation panel, click Tags. This page shows you all the tags that already exist. To add a new one, simply click the New button. Now comes the core part, selecting your tag type. Google Tag Manager offers plenty of options: Google Tags, Google Analytics, remarketing, or even custom HTML tags. Which one you choose depends on your specific tracking goal. For example, if you're setting up Google Analytics 4, you'll need to enter the measurement ID. If it's a remarketing tag, you'll use the tag ID or other details provided by your platform. Be sure to double-check these values to make sure the tag functions correctly. Next, assign a trigger to your tag. Triggers decide when your tag should fire. For instance, if you want your tag to load on every page of your website, you can select the All Pages trigger. Or if you only want it to fire on a specific event, like someone clicking a button, you can set up a more customized trigger. Choosing the right one ensures your data is collected accurately. Once your tag type and trigger are set, click Save. Your tag is now created inside Google Tag Manager. Keep in mind that you'll still need to submit and publish your container changes for the tag to go live on your website. And that's it. You've just created a tag in Google Tag Manager. With this process, you can quickly deploy tracking codes and marketing tags without ever touching your site's codebase, making your workflow more efficient and reliable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.